This might be embarrassing, but we're gonna do it anyways. Come with me as I grocery shop at Safeway, a small town in British Columbia. Yeah, you can. Okay, now we're gonna go through and see where everything is from. I got these last time and they are delicious. I believe they're from Manitoba. Yeah, St. Anne, Manitoba. I actually got two. I really like the other kind, so I decided to try the Fiesta flavor too. My daughter requested these. Yes, we have a road trip and some extra activities coming up, so I bought a lot of snack foods. And these are a product of Mexico. My daughter is also having a party at her school, so I grabbed this bag of popcorn, Compliments brand, Ontario. We've been talking about caramel popcorn, so I bought this one for us. Again, Compliments brand, Ontario. My son requested these. I believe they're Edmonton, Alberta, this Nan brand. Cheese buns from the bakery. Strudels, I think these are made at the bakery too. Crafted to perfection. Yeah, baked at the bakery, the Safeway bakery. I've been getting local eggs from my mom's neighbor, but we ran out, so we got these eggs, product of Canada. My husband's choice of bread, Canadian Dempster's. It says baked in Canada and includes Canadian wheat flour. Made in the bakery, sourdough bread. Candies for our road trip, packaged by Ontario, Canada. Kraft peanut butter, Kraft Heinz Canada, Toronto, Ontario. Lettuce, and I did specifically grab this one because it said, oh, Calgary. I knew it was Canada, but living green lettuce from Calgary. This is turkey from the deli, so I don't really know where it's from. I don't know. How do you find that out? I got ham from the deli too. Same thing. I don't know. Cabbage. I did read the label in the store and it said product of Canada. Cheese. They both have the Dairy Farmers of Canada symbol. Butter, Compliments brand, Canada. It doesn't have the Canada dairy, the dairy logo though. Cream, Canada. We're having stir fry. I got this zucchini and I checked in store and it said product of Mexico. I'm pretty sure if I'm remembering correctly. Okay, so last time when I did the fries, McCain's was, some said made in Canada, some said product of USA. My mom did some research and she found that this brand, Cavendish Farms, is Canadian. So I didn't even look, but it says Prince Edward, Ontario, and Lethbridge. Proud Canadian company, prepared in Canada. There we go, prize. My son picked out this brand of yogurt, and it says prepared in Canada. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's got the Canadian milk symbol. Again, more road trip snacks. Choxo, I have actually worked with them. They are Canadian brand. Delta BC Lemon are by far my favorite. They are a lower sugar chocolate, non-GMO, organic, no sugar alcohol, sustainable cocoa, all the good things. Highly recommend checking them out. Yeah, I love these. I'm stocked up because of our road trip. These are so delicious. They are a buttery pretzel, baked, not fried, cholesterol free. I did check them on my Weight Watchers app and they're actually low points. Proudly Canadian, delicious. So I got the butter herb and the dill pickle. Compliments Ziploc bag, product of China, imported for Mississauga, Ontario. Quaker. Made with 100% Canadian oats. That's what it says on the back here. And made in Canada from domestic and imported ingredients. Decaf, Tim Hortons. Well, that's what I thought. It should be Canadian if it's Tim Hortons. Roasted in Canada. Fruit to go. No idea. Proudly Canadian brand. Montreal, Toronto, Calgary, Kelowna. Okay, I forgot about the produce. Product of Canada. I think these are BC. Yeah, Delta BC tomatoes. These are really good tomatoes. Did check that the red onion was Canadian. I think these are Mexico. Yep, Mexico bananas. This said product of Canada. So did this. Nope, Mexico. Pink Lady apples. I love me some Pink Lady apples. They are American. My American friends, you make delicious Pink Lady apples. I will continue to buy them. My kids are less picky about their apples, so I bought them the Macintosh ones, which are a product of Canada. I found it really interesting that our grocery store has really prioritized made in Canada and Canadian brands, and so they've kind of done all of this work for us. Yeah, I just think it's really interesting to see where our food is from, and I should have been paying attention to this all along. Let me know, like, wherever you're from, whatever country you're in, do you prioritize things that are made within your country? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, that's my grocery shop. I spent $272.92 Canadian. Let me know in the comments if anything surprised you and if you want to see my next grocery haul. You guys really liked the last one. If you're new to my channel, I mostly share home DIY and crafts, so hit subscribe and check us out. And here are some of our snacks ready to go in our snackle box. I'll leave the link in the description. We love this snack box. It is the best. Also great for veggies and cut up fruit and stuff too.